Hello students, how are you? I think you all are well, isn't it? Okay. Students, now from this video onwards, we are going to cover a new chapter, that is chapter number 12 of NCERT book, that is area related to the circle. Students, you all know what is circle. What is diameter, what is radius, what is arc, what is sector, minor sector, major sector, then segment, minor segment, major segment, quadrant. You all know these things. Just we are going to recall them. First of all, what is circle? What is circle? A circle is a path traced by a moving point which moves such that always remains at a same distance from a fixed point. Clear? I am repeating once again. Circle is a path traced by a moving point which moves such that remains always same at a fixed point is called circle. Okay? That means the fixed point is called the center of the circle and the distance between the fixed point and the moving point is called the radius. Okay, see, it's a circle. Here the fixed point is called center, which is generally denoted by O. Okay, then the distance, this distance is called R. It is called radius of the circle. Clear? This point is called fixed point or center of a circle. Clear? Now, the distance between 2 points on the circle and the line segment which joins these 2 points and passing through the center is called its diameter. This is called diameter of the circle with radius R. That means from this center to this point it is also R, and again from this center to this point it is also R. That means diameter is equal to 2 into radius, that is generally denoted by D, is equal to 2R. Or we can say one is D is equal to 2R or R is equal to D by 2. Clear? Now, what is circumference? Circumference, the distance covered by traveling, the distance covered by traveling around once. Sorry, I am repeating once again. The distance covered by traveling once around a circle is called its circumference, and generally we denoted it by C. Clear? One thing, circumference of the circle bears a constant ratio with respect to the diameter. That means the ratio of circumference and diameter is the constant. So circumference upon diameter is equal to, circumference of a circle is denoted by 2 pi r upon 2 pi, sorry 2r. That means pi. Clear? Which is constant. Which is constant. So circumference is equal to pi into diameter or 2 pi r. Clear? Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Now, what is the area of circle? Area of circle is equal to pi r square. Clear? Pi r square. Now, next point is, what is semicircle? Semicircle. What is semicircle? Semicircle means, see, this diameter divides the circle in two equal parts or two equal halves, is it? Each half is called the semicircle. That means the figure of semicircle will be in this way, and it is the center. It is the one half of the circle with center O and radius R. So circumference of a semicircle is equal to half of the circumference of full circle, that is 1/2 into 2 pi r plus this part also, r plus 2r plus 2r. Got it? Now here 2 cancel, that means pi r plus 2r. Clear? So circumference of a semicircle is pi r plus 2r. Okay? Now, what is area of semicircle? Area of semicircle is equal to half of the area of the circle, that is half into pi r square. It is the area of the semicircle. Now we come to the next point, that is quadrant. What is quadrant? Quadrant means 1/4 part of a circle. Quadrant means 1/4 part of a circle. That means quadrant means 1/4 part of a circle. So its diameter, its figure will be in this way. That means this is the center of the circle, that is O, it is R, and this is the radius, and this is the 1/4 part of the circle. Okay. Now, so circumference of a quadrant is equal to 1/4 the circumference of a circle, that is 2 pi r plus this distance and this distance, that is 2r. Isn't it? Okay. That means pi r by 2 plus 2r is the circumference of a quadrant. Similarly, area of quadrant. Area of a quadrant. Area of a quadrant means 1/4 area of a total circle. So 1/4 of pi r square. Clear? Now, next one is, what is area of a ring? Area of a ring. Area of a ring. How a ring? Suppose this is the center, this is the small radius r, and this is the bigger radius capital R. area of ring, that means this part. This part. This is the area of ring. Okay. What is the formula? That means the area of the outer circle minus area of the inner circle. So area of the ring is equal to pi r square minus pi r square. Is it? Taking pi common, what is remaining inside? R square minus r square, or pi r plus r and r minus r. Clear, students? So students, pause the video to be noted down.